How to stop tag posts on Facebook. Open the Facebook app. Click on three lines at the top. Click on Settings and Privacy. Again, click on Settings. Scroll down. In Audience and Visibility, you will find the option Profile and Tagging. Click on it. Here you will do all your setting related to tagging. Scroll down. In Reviewing, you will find Option. If these options are off, turn them on due to turning on the setting. You can review all the tag posts, and if you approve the post, then it will appear on screen. That is how you can stop tag posts on Facebook. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.